Hi everybody, this is Attorney Connie Doyle. I wanted to just cover a couple items based on our last video regarding President Trump's decision to rescind DACA. One of the points that I just wanted to stress is that if your DACA and your corresponding work permit expire by March 5th, 2018, you don't have until March 5th, 2018 to renew it. You must renew it before October 5th, 2017. So you've got less than 30 days to renew your work permit and your DACA application. So you want to get it submitted before that date. The next thing that I wanted to talk about is I had mentioned advanced parole and that DACA recipients could no longer travel for school or work or humanitarian purposes. And one of the reasons why we were encouraging DACA recipients to do that was, especially if they were married to U.S. citizens, once they came back to the United States, they were stamped in and they were able to adjust their status here in Chicago to legal permanent residence. We don't have that anymore, but I didn't want to give the impression that there's nothing else that's out there. There's something called a provisional waiver. You might be eligible for that if you're married to a U.S. citizen or a legal permanent resident. And lastly, I wanted to mention something I brought up during that last video regarding being detained. Putting your affairs in order. What do I mean by that? If you have children that are under the age of 18 and you're worried about them, there's something called a standby guardianship here in the state of Illinois, where you can name somebody that you trust that can step in your shoes and care for your children if you are detained. Also, if you own a home or if you have bank accounts or vehicles, there's something called a durable power for property. And a durable power for property, you name somebody who's your agent who acts in your behalf, and they're able to transfer your real estate, transfer your bank account, and transfer any other personal property such as a vehicle that you might have. Lastly, just to let you know that I am going to be attending a conference on Friday that's being sponsored by the American Immigration Lawyers Association. So stay tuned probably on Sunday. Next Sunday, I want to be able to bring up some points and some things that might be helpful, especially during this very stressful time for everybody and what's going on. We plan on having more videos like this, hopefully with more details, and watch for us on our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you everybody, and good night.